Shit, your daddy ain't shit. And then you realize that life is a bitch with a dirty white tee and some dirty ass kicks, and you got no money, so you can't feed the jit. Your mama ain't shit, your daddy.
I have a question. When did being petty get overtaken by being loyal and vulnerable and respectful? When did that happen? I think this world is so on guard that we can't even live life normally anymore because we're constantly protecting ourselves from things that may or may not even happen. And it blows my mind because the most valuable thing we have is time. And we waste so much of it. Like every day we waste time, every single day. The one thing that I learned about life when I was in the hospital was it can be gone in any minute. So I don't have the time. I'm honestly the last person that's going to get back at a bitch. Not to say that I don't have feelings and they don't get hurt, but I don't have the time to like try to get back at you for some shit you did to take that a step further. I'll say that trying to get back at a bitch like me is pointless because I don't care. If you did something wrong to me, I can't see you. I don't even see you. In this social media day and age, it's very difficult because if your conversation can't be summarized in 140 characters, people don't. I don't know. This world is so crazy now. It's so fast paced, and the way that people receive or understand things is so different. What inspired this was one of my friends was just choosing the petty route, and I just didn't understand how you're 30 plus years old and you're being petty. That shit is stupid. I said all that to say don't be so petty and immature and guarded that the people that actually care about you can't even reach you.